Hi, I'm Allie from Tresnak Roofing, and today we're here in Troy, Michigan, doing this beautiful ranch. Come on with me. So right now, the guys have stripped the roof to get all proper underlayment on. They've replaced some OSB decking, as you can see. We're gonna do that whenever there's rotten wood because we have to replace that so the nails, when they hit that wood decking, they're gonna stay. So any rotten wood, we're gonna replace. Now another thing that's really important about the roof is ventilation. So on this roof, we have soffit vents in the overhang, and then we're gonna be putting a ridge vent up top. The other thing that is really important when it comes to ventilation is if you have a bathroom with a bathroom fan, there needs to be a bathroom exhaust vent. When you take a shower, all of that moisture, that fan is gonna be sucking it up, and if there isn't a vent, it's gonna sit in your attic and eventually rot the wood decking. So a bathroom exhaust vent is also very important when it comes to your roof. Let's walk around back. Now we are on the back side of the roof. They've already stripped the shingles and laid the first 6 feet of ice and water shield. That's really important on every roof because that's where snow and ice is going to sit there on the water. So ice and water shield we put up on the first 6 feet. And then in any valleys, we're also going to put that in the 3 feet in the valleys. The other thing that's really important is the chimney. So anytime we come out to do an inspection, we're also going to look at your chimney. A chimney is also an area where a lot of water can find its way in, not just around the roof, but in the chimney itself. If it's lost its mortar, water is going to find its way into those cracks and seep down into your home. So we are always going to give you a recommendation if you need to get your chimney looked at as well. Another thing that you want to think of when you're getting your roof done is your gutters. Getting your gutters replaced when doing a roof project is also a really great idea. We're going to take those gutters off during the roof replacement. We'll replace any rotten fascia board and get those gutters back on for you. So taking a look at your gutters doing a roof project is also a really great idea. Thanks for coming to check out this roof with me. If you need your roof replaced, give Tresnak Roofing a call today.